Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. You're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. The Chief Minister of Odisha and Biju Janata Dal Chief Naveen Patnaik reconstituted the media team of the party Friday. Asit Tripathi, IAS Chief Secretary Odisha, is appointed as the Chairman of Western Odisha Development Council. He will also be the Principal Advisor to Chief Minister on Regional Development, Tourism, Agribusiness and Industry. The state government Friday appointed Senior IAS Officer Suresh Chandra Mahapatra as the Chief Secretary and Chief Development Commissioner of Odisha. The 1986 batch IAS officer is currently serving as the Development Commissioner and holding additional charge as the working chairperson of Sri Jagannath Temple Administration SJTA Puri. With around 60 people identified to have returned to the state from the United Kingdom in the past fortnight, Odisha government Thursday asked the authorities to undertake intense surveillance, contact tracing, RT-PCR test and genome sequencing of all incoming passengers, official sources said. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik Friday greeted people of his state on the occasion of Christmas. He took to his Twitter handle to wish the people of Odisha warm greetings and best wishes to all on this joyous occasion of Christmas. May your lives be filled with happiness, peace and prosperity. Merry Christmas, read the tweet. In a recent development, the 5-year-old victim Pari's mother Saudamini Sahu alleged Thursday afternoon that the SIT chief Arun Bothra has been constructing stories to shield the real culprit in the much debated rape and murder case in Nayagarh district. Notably, the Special Investigation Team SIT has been investigating the alleged rape and murder of the minor girl at Jadupur village. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Friday released over rupees 18,000 crore to more than 9 crore farmer families under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi PM Kisan. With the push of a button, Modi enabled the transfer of money at an event which the ruling BJP has made into a mega exercise to reach out to farmers by having its leaders interact with the farming community at more than 9,000 venues across the country and also listen to the Prime Minister's address. That's all in the bulletin. You were watching the news roundup of the day by Orissa Post Live. To stay updated, stay with Orissa Post Live.